What does it mean? The justification is undeserved. Well, justification is God declaring an unrighteous person righteous on the basis of the perfect righteousness of Christ, credited instantly and permanently at the moment a sinner genuinely believes in Jesus Christ alone for his eternal salvation. And since God is absolutely righteous, only righteous people are acceptable to Him. Only righteous people can enter heaven. Only the perfect are worthy to be around Him. And since the Bible says that all are by nature sinful, and each one willfully disobeys and rejects God, everyone deserves what God's holy justice demands: eternal death, which is everlasting punishment in the lake of fire. Therefore, judgment from God is what sinful man deserves, not the justification of God.